Yup. Yup.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia, Renee. Welcome to the vlog. This week is going to be, I guess, my birthday week vlog. My birthday is June 12th. Happy birthday to me. Just getting off work. It's Friday. My mother's coming to pick me up. Just ran the house, changed my clothes. Right now, I'm getting ready to run to the store with my mother. I think we're going to Michael's and Walmart. She's going to be making my birthday cake. So, I'm happy for that. My mother is the best cook in the world. Everybody know that. I ain't joking. Family, friends, everybody, whoever tastes anything my mother make, delicious. She's really not a baker too much, but if you could cook, baking shouldn't be too much of a big deal. So she's making my birthday cake. I usually order from this bakery. The bakery is so good. But she's gonna make it, so I'm here for that. She might be pulling up. That's her pulling up. That's her pulling up. All right, let's go, y'all. Who's got a beeping horn? She see me. She play too much. She play. See that? You want that one? Yeah, because you know. Oh yeah, because you could cut it. Size. See, I can do it. Like fill it and then cut it in half. You know, right. I want to make the 6. A little so baby. You can have that, and that make a tier, or. Oh, that's cute. You really been. Yeah, that's another time. Right. 2 of these and then cut them. Yeah. Bam. Yeah. So 2 of these, 8 ounce. I like the high ones. Okay. Oh, look, if you had a dog, man. Little doggy treats, you can make his own. See, they don't have nothing for the kids. Well, I don't have nothing for Nina. Oh, look, you can make your small loaves, too. Ooh, individual loaves for Earl. Cornbreads. With your infamous chili soup. Or chili. Got chilied out. Oh, these look good. See, I'm not supposed to be eating stuff like this right now. Oh, they meltables. I eat them whole. Oh, this font they sell in the stores. Oh, that's so good. Get the out. I seen people ordering them online on Amazon. Oh my gosh, you really could do whatever. I would never buy font cake because remember, it don't even taste like nothing. It just look pretty. Right. Spend all that extra money. Look, they got that font. OMG. See, I can't buy this right now because I don't know how to. No. We're going to come back for you, font. So we're going to do chocolate. So we don't need no sprinkles or nothing like that, right? I wanted some. You want a little bit of gold or something? Yes, you know I love gold. Oh, look, man. Gold. That's cute. We don't want to make our own little.
Know some young niggas like to sway. Know some young niggas like to swing. Big bang, take little bang. Every day spilling up drain. She want the whole crew, shorty break. When the money talks, what is there to say?
At Target, my mom dropped me off, and I'm with my man now. And I seen these cute little sandals. They $24. Cute, but they got a big old stain right there. And I asked one of the associates. She said that they could take 10% off. So I'm gonna try to clean it. I don't even know. Maybe I can Google how to clean it. They're so freaking cute. And my mother got most of the things she needed for the cake. To make the cake, I think she got to get a couple more items this weekend, so that was fun. Birthday week still, countdown. So I wanted to get ready to take my hair out. It's like every time I'm about to take my hair out, I get 100 compliments on my hair. But everybody was saying they like my hair today. Black people, white people, all races. So I'm like, I don't really want to take them out because I only got a week. So I might just lay my edges down and wear my hair like this on my birthday because it still look pretty good. It ain't not bad looking.
Blow away, watch it blow away. When I die, can't take it to the grave.
That has a stain on it, and his name is Liam. Is he the team? Liam? Team lead? Okay, well, I don't even like pink, but I don't know, they were cute little sandals. I'm not buying no more flip-flops or nothing because I have too many. But I don't know what to use to clean this off with. It kind of like tar. I think they are the cutest little things. I don't know what I'm going to eat tonight, but we're at this smoothie place where I usually get my acai bowls, but I didn't want an acai bowl. Got a smoothie. They have the choice of an actual acai bowl, or you can have the smoothie version of the acai bowl. We paid $4 for this ginger shot. He thought it was going to be like a shot that they made in the store. But no, you could have just went and got the suture shots from Giant. Oh, it's marijuana. Remember the last time I came over here, I told you guys looked like they was up to something, and I felt trapped because I was in the drive-thru and there was a car beside me, and there was a car like almost in front of me. I was like, oh gosh, please don't let them about to do nothing. It tastes good. I want to take some. Oh yes, a lot of people. What the heck they doing? Urban Barbershop. Oh, no, you ain't get your haircut over there. You probably won't come back home.
Your boy got the full body do-rag on. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass it.
Yeah. That's this, right?
Like stocking. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put it back to the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro just song. Give me that tempo. So cool, get food with this shit.
Today is Thursday. Just getting off work, switched my clothes, and I'm on my way to pick up my mother. We are going to the nail salon. I'm getting a manicure and a pedicure. Told y'all before, I don't know what vlog that was. The nail salon my mother it got blown up. Disgruntled employee got fired, came back and blew the place up. So we are trying somewhere else we used to go to a while ago. I think it stopped going because it was a little pricey. So I know they're really going to be pricey now that everybody jacked up the prices of everything from pandemic. I have to go pick her up. If they charge too much, I'm going to get a pedicure and I'm going to go to Marshalls and give me some press-ons and pop them on myself, my nails. I want to get a French manicure on my toes with pink. I'm not a pink girl, but I got on, let me show y'all. I think I did show y'all. I got on these pink sandals I got from Target, and I had a black stain on them, and I cleaned it off with just some Dawn dish detergent and old toothbrush and scrubbed it, and it came off. And I found this old pink shirt I had in my drawer. Just doing something real quick so I can run and pick her up. Matter of fact, let me call her, let her know I'm on my way.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm on my way.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Wait a minute, let me focus. Let me back out the driveway. Kind of don't want to show where my area where I live at. That's why I got this facing down. Sorry, y'all. I miss y'all. When I used to watch vlogs, I used to watch other channels, and girls would be like, oh, I miss y'all, I love y'all. But I used to be like, girl, be quiet, you don't even know me. It's like, no. Coming from I guess you could say a micro content creator or whatever you want to call myself, I really do miss coming on camera and talking to y'all. I haven't had a chance to like talk and drive with y'all in a minute. I've been so busy with work and life and taking some classes. So all my free time is kind of gone. I used to try to put out videos like 2-3 times a week. Now I think it's down to once a week. It's just been, yeah, like I said, a little chaotic. But I'm happy to be sharing this birthday with y'all. Today I'm getting a mani and pedi. My mother, tomorrow, which is Friday, my niece, she has her first dance. She's 13 years old. But it's not like a formal dance. I don't know what it is. I guess all the kids go to school, just have dance night, I guess. So she's doing that. And then my boyfriend and I, we are going out to dinner for my birthday. I'm still working too. Go to work, run home, see my niece off for her dance, come back home, get dressed, ready, shower, change, and go out to dinner with my baby. Then Saturday, the girls, my sisters and my mother, we're gonna go get something to eat, and then we're doing the sip and paint. And then the sip and paint is bring your own bottle. So you know how that go. Probably everybody gonna bring a bottle except for my younger sister. She don't drink. You can go ahead and bring her own Kool-Aid or whatever she want. And then Sunday is my actual birthday. I showed y'all, we went and got some of the ingredients for her to make a cake for me. She wanted to make a birthday cake, and she got the rest of the ingredients. So I guess throughout now and Sunday, I'll be helping her make my birthday cake. I usually have a big cookout for my birthday with all my family. I don't feel like doing that this year, and then I'm kind of trying to, my man and I, we are saving because we got some things we want to accomplish this year, so try not to spend too much money, unnecessary money. We just look at the grill that we have at our house. So we have, the grill is clean still. We have a bag of charcoal and lighter fluid, so I think I'm going to tell my mother, my sisters, they could come over and we'll just throw a couple hot dogs, hamburgers and stuff on the grill. One thing I love me a good old dark grilled hot dog. It was so good. Oh, my sister is here. One of my sisters, so my sister and my niece are probably here. Wonder if they're gonna go get pedicure.
Hello.
Kid in there?
Hi. Yeah.
Taylor in there too?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I'm outside. Tell everybody come
Okay.
on.
Alright, I'm coming.
Alright, I miss y'all. I miss talking to y'all. you know, what they say, chewing the fat, you know, just talking and hee ha ha. I'm gonna try to get back to more sit down talking vlogs. I know I've been showing, I'm not gonna say the same thing. I've been myself, no one has said this to me, I've been a little bit bored. I feel like all I'll show y'all is a grocery haul. I might cook, and that's pretty much it. Like, I don't sit down and talk to y'all about my life and what's going on. Are y'all even interested in that? Because yeah, I don't know, because I feel like, why would I want to, I guess, put that on here if y'all care? Like, y'all care about my goals, my dreams, my opinions on certain things that's happening, current events or anything. I don't know. I've been kind of a little bit bored. I feel like I want to start doing different things. But what I won't do is, I don't want to talk negativity into my channel or speak ill about anything or anyone. And this is why. So girl, I had like 3 jobs, 3 or 4, I can't even remember how many jobs I had since I started YouTube. And I remember one day I got off one of my jobs, not where I'm at now. Got off work and I was so irritated with somebody that I work with, higher up person. I think I was doing a makeup tutorial and I sat there and I was talking about this person. I was talking about that person for about 15-20 minutes. And after I finished, what I was saying was valid and the points I was making were true. But after I played it back, I was like, you know what? I don't want to be negative. On top of that, you never know who watches your channel. Even though the people that I work with at that job, I'm like 1,000% sure they probably don't even watch YouTube. And if they did, I'm quite sure they wouldn't have came across my channel because there's nothing on my channel that they would be interested in. Fast forward to now, to where the job I'm at now, one of the supervisors, not in my department, but another department, she said she looked familiar and she'd been following my channel before I even started that job. So basically that goes to show that I did the right thing about not bashing my current employer at that time online, because when that lady saw that, she probably was like, girl, don't you hide that girl. So that just goes to show, just watch what you say. Don't put everything on the internet, because everything is not for the internet. Just keep it kitchen table talk with your homegirls, your mama, your boyfriend, somebody. Don't put everything online. Here go my sisters and my niecey poo and my mama. Hey y'all, what y'all doing? You off today?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hey, sweets.
Hello.
I'm going.
That's Kid, yo. Kid.
Hey,
Oh, I'm sorry, man. Taylor. You don't want to be on the camera? Alright. Taylor don't want to be on camera.
Your purse over
Oh, no, I was talking to them about you, but I was talking to them.
Is the power on?
Yes. So, the power went out.
Saying mine went out.
Your power went out,
But mine didn't go out when you sent me your message.
So I woke up.
I just got the message about 20 minutes ago.
I woke up and was like, yeah, you know the power out. I said, what? And he was like, yeah, it went out in the middle of the night. You ain't here. Because usually when a transformer go out over there, you hear a big boom. You think it's an explosion. I was like, no, I guess I was tired.
Yeah.
So I'm glad he woke me up, because I turned my alarm off. I guess I was sleeping good. That I wouldn't even have heard, you know, I wouldn't have woke up.
You wouldn't have got up.
So he been checking on and off throughout the day. Girl said it's supposed to come back on at 9 o'clock tonight. Then he said at 4 o'clock, and then I just got home and it's on.
It's on. Okay, I hope mine on, because I got the message way after.
Oh, you should be good then.
You sent me a text talking about the power, and you asked me. Couple questions.
Yeah. Yes.
So tomorrow, we still taking Tails to the dance? So I'll
yeah.
chill with you.
We just look at the grill. The grill is clean, so we was going to throw something on the grill Sunday when we tuck the cake and stuff.
Okay, yeah.
Which grill, the black one or the red one?
The red one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I saw it out back. When was y'all grilling recently?
We never put it back in.
Alrighty.
You got charcoal and stuff, so we was going to grab a couple things. Y'all want to bring something, bring it. Nah, whatever. Right. But we could do that Sunday.
Okay.
Yeah, on the actual birthday and stuff.
Right,
all right, let me talk to them, y'all, because personal family stuff, huh?
I don't let my friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine and Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. Peachy, we getting some traction. I'm at the videos packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a big Simon down on me, and she trying to get it unfastened.
Let me see your nails, man. Pretty. Are we done? Thank you so much. Thank you. What's your name?
Angel.
Angel. Thank you, Angel. I'm gonna go to the restroom and I'll meet you up front. Yeah.
Like obese tips.
You play too much. Cute though. Yeah. Alright, we just leaving the nail salon. Love my toes, my nails. You got them a little thick. My mother said they like obese nails.
Got my flow and I'm